Hello YouTube, Sam here from youtube.com/onlivegamer for the new Boston, and in this tutorial we're going to be making a program that will send emails using SMTP. So let's go ahead and create a new project and get started. So we'll select a Windows Forms application and we will name it Mail Client. Go ahead and click OK and wait for that to load. Okay, so now once that's loaded, we're going to open up our toolbox. Let's add some stuff to our form. So we will add some labels. So we're going to have label from. You're going to have to input your password for your email account. And then we've got to, and then we've got subject, and then we've got the body. So let's just go ahead and set the text value for each of these. So from, password, to, subject, and body. Okay, so now let's move these down a little bit and we will add some text boxes. So we will add one for each one of these labels. So we've got from, password, to, subject, and then the body. So we'll make the body of it multi-line by just clicking this arrow and selecting multi-line. And let's go ahead and we will move some stuff around here to make better use of our form. So okay, so let's drag the body up here and then make that a little bit bigger. And then we'll start adding the code to our form. And now we need to add one more button. We need to add a button that says send. So we'll change the text to send, and then we will set the name to button send. And let's go ahead and add another button so they can reset the fields without having to go through and doing it themselves. So we'll do button reset fields, and we will just set the text to discard. We'll make sure that these buttons are the same sizes. Okay, so now we've created the user interface for our email client. So we'll just set the title of Form 1 to Email Client. Okay, so now let's go ahead and double click on Email Client to open up public class Form 1. Let's just go ahead and get rid of Form 1 load because we're not going to be using that. Now let's go ahead and come down here, and what we're going to have to do to use email is import system.net.mail. So this is our mail namespace that has everything we're going to need to send emails. Now let's go ahead and create two objects. So private my message as new message. So it's a Windows message which can be used to send email messages. And let's go ahead and make this a mail message instead of a message. Sorry, I messed that up there. And now what we're going to need to do is create an SMTP client. So SMTP sender as new, and now what we're going to use is the SMTP client. So we're going to create a new SMTP client, and this says allows applications to send email by using the simple mail transfer protocol. So that's what SMTP stands for, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Okay, so in this tutorial we set up the user interface for our email client, and we went ahead and created two objects. So go ahead and do this if you haven't already. I highly suggest that you do everything we do in the tutorials. It'll help you learn a lot better and a lot faster. And once you've done that, go ahead and move on to the next tutorial.